How to check the rank of your Amazon product listing on Amazon search engine. I'm going to show you how you can do this and why it is important. Because as everyone knows that Amazon Marketplace is a search engine, not like other marketplaces like TikTok or Shopify in which people just see the video and purchase the product. But on Amazon, basically buyer comes with the intent of buying, intent of purchasing anything. They go on Amazon search engine, type for the product they want, search that product and then select the best of them and purchase, right? So it is super important for you to know like on which keyword your product is ranking on Amazon search engine on first page or second page, and basically what is the exact rank of your product. For example, you are selling spoons. So there are multiple keywords for the spoon, like stainless steel spoons, pack of 12 spoons or metal spoons. So it is important for you to know like at what rank your product listing is standing or ranking on the keyword silver spoon, right? So for example, if the product rank of your listing is 15th, so whenever someone go on Amazon and search for silver spoon, so after scrolling down on the 15th rank, he will be able to find your product. So if you know all of those keywords which you are targeting for your product listing, and if you know the rank of your keywords, so it will be super easy for you to analyze your stuff, analyze your listing and revenue, so you can actually make the improvement on your listing, on the keywords, on the PPC to rank even more higher on Amazon searches on all of those keywords where you are standing, right? So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can actually check the rank of your listing on Amazon search engine on all of those keywords which you are targeting, and you can see the exact rank. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and here I have opened Amazon website. So here if we take the same example of stainless steel spoon and silver spoons, so I can just type these both keywords into different tabs. So in this first tab, I can just type stainless steel spoons and search for that, and on the other tab I can just type metal or silver spoons 12 set. Okay, so there can be multiple keywords, even 10, 20, 50 or 100, right? So you need to find out, it's your duty to figure out like what are the main keyword, what are the relevant keyword which are highly competitive or low competitive. So it will be easy for you to rank your product and get the traffic, maximum traffic from all of those possible keywords. Okay, so here in this first tab I just type stainless steel spoons, and here in the second tab I have just typed silver spoons 12 set. Okay, so this is basically the keyword on which I can see these spoon listings, and this is the keyword number 1 where I can see these listings. So for example, if we open this listing, this one which says 6.7 inches stainless steel spoon set of 6. So if I open that listing, and for example this is your listing and you want to analyze that on which keyword it is ranking and on which exact rank. Okay, so to find out the rank of this keyword, we need to grab the ASIN of this listing. But before that, you can see that if I zoom in a little, so I can see that this product is having the Amazon choice badge for this keyword, spoons stainless steel. Okay, so if I just open the Amazon.com into a new tab and type the same keyword, spoons stainless steel. So let's see if it works or not. Spoons stainless steel. So if I type that keyword, so I can find this listing on top of the first page having the overall pink badge. You can see that this is the same listing, 6.7 inches stainless steel, and it is having the badge overall pink. So basically this listing is actually ranking and having Amazon choice badge on this keyword, spoons stainless steel. But what about some other keyword? So if you want to know like what are the other keywords on which this listing is ranking and at what rank, so for that we need to go again on that listing, scroll down, zoom out a little and find out the ASIN from here. So if we copy that ASIN, then we need to open the tool AMZ Scout. So you can see that I have just opened amzscout.net and I have logged into my account. So if you also want to get the free trial of this tool, you can just go in the description of this video, and from there you can just grab your free trial. Okay, so after logging into that AMZ Scout product database, on the left side you can see these bars. So if we just go on keyword research and click on reverse ASIN lookup, so if we click on that, then here with the help of this tool, we can actually put the ASIN of any listing, and this tool of AMZ Scout will basically do the reverse ASIN of that ASIN and tell us the keywords, all of those keywords in which this ASIN or listing is ranking and on which spot. Okay, so as we have already copied the ASIN of that listing, so here in this tool reverse ASIN lookup, we need to paste the ASIN here where it says input ASIN here. So after pasting that ASIN, we need to click on find keywords. But before finding the keyword, from the top right corner, we need to make sure that the language and the country must be selected properly. So here you can see that the country is Germany. So I need to change that country to USA and the language is OK, which is English. So after putting that ASIN, if I click on find keyword, so you can see that AMZ Scout has searched for all of those keywords on which this listing is ranking. So here you can see that if I scroll down, I can find many of the keywords. You can see that if I zoom in a little, so the first keyword is spoon set, second is stainless steel spoon, 6 pieces milk chocolate spoon, Juju store spoons, and so on. Okay, so you can see that these are all the keyword, and here on the right side I can see multiple tabs on which I can find other information as well, like what is the search volume of those keyword, what is the keyword trend, what is the main ASIN page like ranking, and what is the winning position. So here if you want to verify that is your product is really ranking on these keywords, so you can just copy that keyword from here and paste that keyword on Amazon and search and see if that product listing is ranking on Amazon search engine on that keyword or not. Okay, so from here we can just scroll down and type any of the keyword like stainless steel spoon. So if I just go on Amazon and type the stainless steel spoon and click enter, so here if I scroll down a little and try to find out this listing on first page, so here we can see that this listing is here, 6.7 inches stainless steel spoon set of 6, right? So here you can see that with the help of this reverse ASIN lookup tool for the AMZ Scout, you can just put any ASIN of your listing or your competitor listing, and if you click on find the keyword, you will be able to find all of those best keyword on which your listing or your competitor listing are actually ranking. And not only that, from these columns you can find some useful data like what is the search volume of that keyword, what is the keyword trend, what is the main ranking, and the winning position and the relevancy score. Okay, and from the top you can see that there are some filters available, so you can just put your desired search volume in these filters, or you can just put your desired number of words in that keyword. For example, if you want to know only those keywords of your competitor on which your competitor is ranking, and those keywords only contain 2 or 3 words and having search volume more than 1000. So if you just put that number here, like I only want 2 to 5 words from here, and the search volume must be at least 1000, right? So if I put these numbers into these filter and click on 5 keyword, so AMZ Scout will sort out all of those keywords for me and will only show me those keywords which are having search volume more than 1000, having good keyword trend, good relevancy score, and my competitor actually ranking on all of those keywords. Right? So you can see that after searching for only 20 to 30 seconds, AMZ Scout reverse ASIN lookup tool has actually extracted out all of those keywords which are having good search volume, and my competitor or this listing is ranking on those keywords. You can see that if I zoom in, so from here, this is the keyword spoon set, and this keyword is actually having 12,000 search volume, and the keyword trend is 293% high. So this can be a good keyword if it is low competitive, but in my opinion right now this is a very generic keyword and is highly competitive. So at this point I will not recommend you to use this keyword. Instead of this, if you scroll down and find out some keyword which are having good search volume, good sales trend, and they are actually low competitive keyword, you can see that these are the keyword. This is a search volume 3000, 3000, 60,000, and the keyword trend is up. So from there you can just find out multiple keyword. If you spend 20 or 30 minutes on this page, so you will be able to extract many of the keyword which are good for your listing, so you can actually start using those and don't miss out all of those keyword, right? So here you can see that teaspoon stainless steel, this keyword is actually having good search volume. So if you just copy that keyword teaspoon stainless steel, which was not in my mind, and if you paste that keyword on Amazon search engine, so in that way we will be able to find some good keywords as well on which my product or my competitor product are actually ranking, right? So this is basically the best possible method to find out the ranking of your listing on multiple keywords on Amazon search engine. So if you do so, it will be very easy for you to analyze your listing and improve your listing. So right after watching this video, go on the description of this video, get your free trial of AMZ Scout, and use this great reverse ASIN tool to find out your competitor keyword and your product ranking on Amazon search engine. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.